Welcome to JD's Prep. We have some information about glacier movement. Glaciers are thick sheets of ice in motion. Mountain glaciers tend to move down the slopes of mountains from higher elevations to lower elevations, while continental ice sheets move over large areas of continents. The bottom of a glacier is under great pressure due to the weight of the thick sheet of ice. This pressure causes the bottom of the glacier to partially melt, which allows the glacier to move. As the glacier thickens, more pressure is created and the glacier moves faster. Different parts of a glacier can move at different rates depending on the amount of pressure and friction between glacier and the underlying bedrock. Our first question is essentially just a reading comprehension question from this blurb. So describe the relationship between the thickness of a glacier and its rate of movement downhill. We have been told up here that as the glacier thickens, more pressure is created and the glacier moves faster. So the thicker a glacier, that rate of movement is faster. Next, we're asked to describe the most likely shape of the cross-section of the valley formed by a result of erosion by a mountain glacier. So most valleys would start off V-shaped. Glacier comes in. If it gets filled with a glacier, we're going to then have erosion happening here due to that movement of the glacier, eventually resulting in a U-shaped valley. So those U-shaped valleys are very typical of glacial landscapes. And lastly, compared to sediments deposited by meltwater from the glacier, describe the difference in the arrangement of the sediment deposited directly from a glacier. So if we have sediments deposited by meltwater, those sediments are going to have been carried by flowing water, and those sediments will be sorted according to their size. We don't see that with glacial, like with direct deposition from a glacier. So we're just going to see unsorted sediments. That's going to be one of the largest differences. All right, thank you for using JD's Prep.